This is going to be a demonstration of attaching strings to a string through bridge such as this one. Feeding it through the hole and trying to aim it towards the sound hole, so I'll be able to grab it right there. Pull it through. I'm going to put a little 4mm glass bead on the end, and I'll be tying a figure-8 knot. So it's one over, twist it around, and push it back through the loop like so, and just pull it up tight. As such, and then pulled up. We'll do this with the E string. And same deal. Pull it up tight. If you have trouble fishing it out of the sound hole, you could make yourself up a little bit of wire, such as this, that you could go and help fish it out. Crochet hook might also be good, but most of the time I can get it without needing this aid.